Do you want to talk about your day in English, but you do not know what to say? Maybe you know many words, but you cannot make a full sentence.
Maybe you feel nervous and your mind goes blank. That is normal, and you are not alone.
Today, you will learn simple daily routine sentences you can use every day.
These are easy sentences for real life.
You can use them at work, in class, with friends, or even in a short voice message.
We will practice together step by step.
First, we will go slowly,
Then we will go at a normal speed,
and then you will speak alone.
so you can feel confident.
Before we begin, please subscribe to English Story Podcast.
This playlist is called Slow English Listening and Speaking.
We make episodes to help you listen clearly and speak with confidence.
Please like this episode if it helps you.
And please share it with a friend or family member learning English.
When you like and share, it helps more learners find this podcast.
Stay to the end for a daily routine speaking challenge.
It will be simple and fun, and you will be able to do it even if you are a beginner.
Now let us talk about what you will learn today.
Today, you will learn how to talk about morning, afternoon, and night.
You will learn simple sentences you can repeat every day.
And we will use the same sentences in 3 speeds: slow speed, normal speed.
And then you will say it alone.
We will also give you a simple routine you can copy.
You can use it as your own daily routine in English.
And then we will do a swap 3 words practice.
This means you will change only 3 words.
And the routine becomes your routine.
It is an easy way to speak without stress.
Here are the preview sentences for today. Listen carefully.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I go to bed at 10.
These sentences are simple, but they are powerful because you can use them every day. Okay, now let us listen to a short story. Imagine this. 2 friends send voice notes to each other. They talk about their daily routine. Listen carefully. The sentences are simple. Remember, you do not need a perfect routine. You only need simple English. Okay, let us begin.
Good morning. I am sending you a voice note. Today is a normal day for me. I wake up at 7. I stay in bed for 1 minute. Then I get up. I make my bed. I open the window. I take a deep breath. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. Then I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I feel ready. I go to the kitchen. I make tea. I eat breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink water. I look at the time. I leave home at 8. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. The bus is late today. I feel a little worried, but I stay calm. I listen to music. I breathe slowly. The bus comes. I get on the bus. I sit down. I look out the window. I arrive at work at 9. I say hello to my coworkers. I start my work. I work from 9 to 5. I do my tasks. I drink water. At 10:30, I take a short break. I stand up. I stretch my arms. At 12, I eat lunch. I eat a sandwich. I eat fruit. I talk a little with a friend. Then I go back to work. At 3, I feel tired. My eyes feel heavy. So I take a short break. I walk for 5 minutes. I take a deep breath. Then I feel better. At 5, I finish work. I pack my bag. I leave the office. I come home at 6. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I cook dinner. I cook rice and chicken. It smells good. I eat dinner at 7. I sit at the table. I feel relaxed. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wipe the table. Then I relax. I watch one funny show. I laugh a little. Later, I read for 10 minutes. I like quiet time at night. At 9:30, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I turn off the lights. I go to bed at 10. I close my eyes. I sleep. That is my day. Now I want to hear about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What time do you go to bed? Send me a voice note too.
Now we will do a quick understanding check.
This is very easy.
Just listen and answer in your mind.
You do not need to speak yet.
Ready. Here we go.
Question 1. What time does the day start?
The day starts at 7.
Question 2. What does the person do after waking up?
The person eats breakfast.
Question 3. Where does the person go in the morning?
The person goes to work.
Question 4. What does the person do after work?
The person comes home.
Question 5. What time does the person go to bed?
The person goes to bed at 10.
Great job.
If you understood most of that, you are doing very well. Now we will repeat the key sentences one more time. Listen carefully.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I go to bed at 10.
Perfect. Now it is time for shadowing practice.
You will listen and repeat after me.
Shadowing means you listen first, then you repeat. We will go slowly. Do not rush. Clear is better than fast. First, listen only. Do not speak yet. Just listen.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I take a short break. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at 10.
Good. Now we repeat together.
Repeat after me, one sentence at a time. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I take a short break. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at 10.
Great job. Now we do it one more time, a little smoother, but still slow.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I take a short break. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at 10. Perfect.
Now pause and say 5 sentences from this routine. Choose your favorite 5 sentences.
Great.
Next, we will say the same routine at a normal speed. Now we will practice the same daily routine at a normal speed.
Do not worry. It is still clear and simple.
First, listen only. Do not repeat yet.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I take a short break. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at 10.
Good. Now listen one more time at a normal speed.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I take a short break. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at 10.
Great. Now we will repeat together, but not line by line. We will repeat in small groups.
Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I take a short break. I come home at 6. I eat dinner. I relax. I go to bed at 10.
Very good. Now it is your turn. Say the full routine alone. Go slowly. Take your time.
Great job.
If you cannot say all of it, that is okay. Say only 5 sentences. That is still good practice.
Perfect.
Now we will move to the next part. You will speak alone about your own routine. Now it is your turn to speak alone.
You will say your own daily routine in English.
Do not worry about perfect English.
Use simple sentences.
Here is the rule for this part. Say 5 sentences only. 5 sentences is enough.
First, talk about the morning. Say 2 sentences for the morning. Pause and speak now.
Good. Now talk about the afternoon.
Say 2 sentences for the afternoon. Pause and speak now.
Great. Now talk about the night.
Say 1 sentence for the night. Pause and speak now. Very nice.
Now let us do it one more time with support.
Listen to these simple choices. Pick the sentences that match your life.
I wake up at 7. I wake up at 6. I wake up at 8. I eat breakfast. I drink tea. I drink coffee. I go to work. I go to school. I stay at home. I eat lunch at 12. I eat lunch at 1. I come home at 6. I come home at 5. I come home at 7. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 11. I go to bed at 9.
Now pause and say your 5 sentences again. Morning, afternoon, night. Take your time.
Great job.
Next, we will do the Swap 3 Words Challenge.
This will make the routine sound like your routine.
This is a very easy way to speak English.
You do not need to create new sentences.
You copy the routine, and you change only 3 words.
First, listen to the routine. Do not repeat yet.
I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I come home at 6. I go to bed at 10.
Good. Now we will repeat it together slowly. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I drink coffee. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I come home at 6. I go to bed at 10.
Now we will change only 3 words. We will swap 3 words to make it a new routine.
Listen carefully. I wake up at 7. I drink tea. I go to school. I eat lunch at 12. I come home at 6. I go to bed at 11.
Did you hear the 3 changes?
Coffee changed to tea. Work changed to school. 10 changed to 11.
Now repeat the new routine with me. I wake up at 7. I drink tea. I go to school. I eat lunch at 12. I come home at 6. I go to bed at 11.
Great. Now it is your turn. Copy the routine and swap 3 words.
Choose 3 changes from the options I say.
Here are easy swaps you can use. Change 7 to 6.
Change 7 to 8. Change coffee to tea. Change coffee to water.
Change work to school. Change work to home.
Change 12 to 1. Change 6 to 5.
Change 6 to 7. Change 10 to 9.
Change 10 to 11.
Now pause and say your new routine. Say the full routine with your 3 changes. Take your time.
Excellent.
You just spoke English with confidence.
You copied a routine and made it your own.
Next, we will fix common mistakes and make your sentences even better.
Now, let us talk about common mistakes and easy fixes.
These fixes will make your daily routine English sound clear and correct.
Do not worry. These mistakes are normal.
Mistake 1. Speaking in single words only.
Some learners say, wake up, breakfast, work, home, bed.
These are words, but they are not full sentences.
Fix. Use simple, full sentences.
Listen.
I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I go to bed at 10.
Full sentences are stronger. Full sentences are clear.
Mistake 2. Using the wrong tense for daily routine.
A daily routine is something you do again and again.
So we use simple present tense.
Fix. Use I wake up, not I woke up. Use I eat, not I ate. Use I go, not I went. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home at 6. I go to bed at 10.
Mistake 3. Speaking too fast and swallowing words.
When you speak fast, your words become unclear.
Fix. Slow is clear. Clear is confident. We will practice one small group slowly. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Great. Now you try. Say these 3 sentences slowly.
One more small fix. Add time words to sound natural.
Listen to these time words. In the morning. In the afternoon. At night.
Now listen to the routine with time words.
In the morning, I wake up at 7.
In the afternoon, I eat lunch at 12.
At night, I go to bed at 10.
Now pause and say 3 sentences with time words.
In the morning, 1 sentence. In the afternoon, 1 sentence. At night, 1 sentence.
Excellent.
Now it is vocabulary time.
These words are very common in daily routine English.
We will say each word slowly.
Then we will use it in a simple sentence.
Listen first, then repeat.
Word 1. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7.
Word 2. Get ready. Get ready. I get ready in the morning. I get ready in the morning.
Word 3. Leave home. Leave home. I leave home at 8. I leave home at 8.
Word 4. Take a break. Take a break. I take a break at 3. I take a break at 3.
Word 5. Go to bed. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10. I go to bed at 10.
Great job. Now we will practice all 5 words in a short routine.
Listen first.
I wake up at 7. I get ready in the morning. I leave home at 8. I take a break at 3. I go to bed at 10.
Now repeat after me, 1 sentence at a time. I wake up at 7. I get ready in the morning. I leave home at 8. I take a break at 3. I go to bed at 10. Now pause and say the short routine alone. Take your time.
Perfect.
Now we will finish with a simple comment challenge.
This will help you practice every day.
Great job today.
Now it is time for your comment challenge.
This is where you practice for real.
Go to the comment section and write 5 simple sentences about your daily routine.
Keep it easy.
You can copy the sentences from this episode.
Here is an example you can follow. I wake up at 7. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I eat lunch at 12. I go to bed at 10.
You can also change 3 words to make it your routine. For example, change coffee to tea. Change work to school. Change 10 to 11.
Now write your 5 sentences in the comments. If you want, also write one time word. You can write in the morning. You can write in the afternoon. You can write at night.
And here is a small daily plan. Practice this episode for 7 days.
1 time each day.
Repeat out loud with us.
Your English will get stronger.
Also, remember to watch our playlist Slow English Listening and Speaking.
The episodes are made for A1 and A2 learners.
They help you listen clearly and speak with confidence.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
We will be back soon with another Slow English episode.
Stay safe. Keep practicing.
And remember, you can do this.
Goodbye for now.